Good morning, students. Till now, in grammar, we have done nouns and adjectives. In nouns, we have seen the definition of nouns, we have taken up examples of nouns, we have seen what proper and common nouns are, right? Then, suppose we take a common noun, river. It is common because we find rivers everywhere. But when we say the name of a particular river, like Godavari, then it becomes proper noun. Similarly, mountain is common noun. When we say Himalayas, it becomes proper noun because all mountains are not Himalayas. There are one specific kinds of mountains which are called Himalayas. Right? We say a state. State is common noun because there are so many states. But when we take the name of a particular state, Himachal Pradesh, it becomes proper noun. Then we had gone through countable and uncountable nouns. You already know nouns which can be counted are countable and those which cannot be counted are uncountable nouns. And we had taken up examples also. Like uncountable nouns, examples would be curd, sugar, coffee, bread. These are uncountable nouns. And countable nouns are boys, girls, classroom, chairs, cupboards. These are all countable nouns. Now, how to tell the quantity of uncountable nouns? In case of uncountable nouns, you can tell the quantity of uncountable nouns by explaining the unit of measurement, like liter, kilo, 2 kilos of sugar, 5 liters of water, 2 loaves of bread. With words such as little, a little, some, much, because we can't count them. So we use words like some, much, a little rice, much happiness, some juice. We had also done singular and plural nouns. In case of singular and plural nouns, some nouns are always singular. Example would be scenery, furniture, progress, information, money, outlook, rainfall, haircut. I repeat again, some nouns are always singular, like scenery, furniture, progress, information, money, outlook, rainfall, haircut. We don't say monies. We don't say rainfalls. So they are always singular. Some nouns always take the plural form, like scissors. We don't say scissor, we say scissors. Trousers, pants, goods. We don't say good train, we say goods train. Savings, glasses, spectacles. So they always take the plural form. Certain nouns are always used in singular sense, although they have a plural form. They are written as plural, but they are used in the singular sense. Like news. We don't say new, we say news. Physics, athletics, billiards, crossroads. So these are all which are used in the singular sense but written like plural. News, physics, athletics, billiards, crossroads. Certain nouns are always used as plural nouns although they have a singular form. They are written as singular, used as plural, like cattle. Cattle, cows and buffaloes. Police, poultry. Poultry means so many ducks and hens. And data. They are written as singular, okay, but they always used as plural nouns. Some nouns have the same singular and plural forms. Whether they are singular or plural, they are written the same way. Like fish. We do not say fishes. Always remember when you say fishes, it is wrong English. It is fish, deer, offspring, spacecraft. They are always written in a singular form. Then we have concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns you can see, you can touch, right? You can count them. They are all concrete nouns. Concrete nouns can be uncountable also, like milk, but it is concrete. You can see and touch it. Box, bag, bottle, car, keys, table, milk, oil, butter. These are all examples of concrete nouns. Why? Because you can touch them, you can see them. They can be countable, they can be uncountable. But abstract nouns are things which you cannot see, you cannot touch, you can only understand them, you can only feel them. In case of abstract nouns, what are the things that come? Feelings, experiences, states, qualities, ideas. So these are the things which come in abstract nouns, and as I had explained to you earlier, feelings and emotions you can have so many things like love, hate, pride. States, comfort, chaos, courage. Qualities, you can have freedom, truth, belief. Events and experiences, you can have adventure, drought. Collective nouns, you are very much aware of, and you should learn all this. As I had explained earlier, please learn all the collective nouns like a crowd of people, a gaggle of geese, a bunch of grapes. You should know all this. I'll repeat with you: a gang of thieves, a gaggle of geese, a bundle of clothes, a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of grapes, a swarm of locusts, a crowd of people, a horde of barbarians. And if you have any other book of the earlier classes, you can, previous classes, you can learn the collective nouns from there also. We'll do one exercise. We have to choose the correct noun to complete the sentences. They are buying furniture for their new house. We do not write furnitures. This railway track is used for goods trains. We don't say good train. I have no further information regarding her arrival. He is older than his brother by 2.5 years. She lost her bunch of keys in the train yesterday. The accident was seen by many passers-by. He has 7 sons-in-law. The 2 former chiefs of staff are attending the meeting. Then we come to adjectives. There were so many types of adjectives, and adjectives, are words which describe, identify, or quantify a noun or a pronoun. And adjectives describe nouns or pronouns by giving some information about a person or an object's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. And we had taken up the examples like hardworking student. Student is a noun, hardworking will be adjective. Windy day, old table, wooden chair. And we have so many types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity, demonstrative adjective. This was all done in the last video. Interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, adjectives of number, where you have adjectives of indefinite adjectives, distributive adjectives, distributive having each, every, neither, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Emphasizing adjective which emphasize on a particular noun. You are the very student who has done the work. She is the only girl who has completed her assignment. So very, only, these are emphasizing adjectives. Then we come to order of adjectives. In case of order of adjectives, when more than one adjective is used to describe a noun, it usually follows a particular order. When you're describing a noun with using more than one adjective. So we have to see what is the usual order. First, you tell the quantity, then the general opinion, then specific opinion, then size, temperature, shape, age, color, nationality, material. I'll take up example, then you will understand this better. They have a ferocious, big, 2-year-old black dog. Okay? This is the way we write. She bought a lovely, spacious 4-bedroom flat. She stores her jewelry in a tiny, square, red Spanish box. She bought 4 expensive, square, wooden tables for her office room. They are selling their magnificent 10-year-old Italian rosewood rocking chair. This is the way we put the order of adjectives when we are describing a noun with more than one adjective. We'll do an exercise. Choose the option that has the correct order of adjectives. I am going to wear my new purple silk shirt for my cousin's wedding. This will be the correct order. Not new silk purple or silk purple new or purple new silk. No, it will be I'm going to wear my new purple silk shirt for my cousin's wedding. Next, we need to recycle the 6 plastic round cans, round plastic 6 cans, plastic 6 round cans. No, we need to recycle the 6 round plastic cans. This will be the correct option. We need to recycle the 6 round plastic cans. Next, Raman is a tall, generous, thin man. Generous, tall, thin man. Generous, thin, tall man. No, Raman is a thin, tall, generous man. Got? I am going to drink tea from a small English china cup. English small china cup. China small English cup. No. I am going to drink tea from a small china English cup. Next. The interesting German old teacher spoke for us. The interesting old German teacher spoke for us. The German interesting old teacher spoke for us. No. The old interesting German teacher spoke for us. Got? This will be the correct way. Degrees of comparison we had already done. And in case of the degrees of comparison, the positive degree would be good, bad, little, many. Comparative degree would be better, worse, less, more. And the superlative degree would be best, worst, least, most. We had done exercises on this. We had taken up examples. Let us take some more exercises. Describe the following in a sentence using adjectives of your choice. Now you have to write according to your choice. I will be giving this exercise to you. If you want to write adjectives of your choice, you can write. But I will also explain. Suppose you are not able to write, you can write what I have explained. A bus with a lot of people in it. The bus was packed, noisy, and hot. Okay, the statement or the sentence is a bus with a lot of people in it. So how will you describe it? You will say the bus was packed, noisy, and hot. A fruit and vegetable market. So what will you say about the market in your own words? The noisy and busy. The busy and noisy fruit and vegetable market. A school concert. Now, what kind of concert is there in the school? The what adjectives can you use for the school concert? The well organized, uh, it can be the well organized, amazing school concert. The last day of the year. Now, what do you do in the last day of the year? You try to celebrate it with all your energy and you try to enjoy it. So, the very enjoyable last day of the year. Then, Christmas. Now, how would you describe Christmas? It is a festival, you know. The winter festival of Christmas was celebrated with Christmas trees. You can describe Christmas in your own words. Diwali, the festival of lights, the festival of, uh, you know, the festival of prayer, of lights. Your school in the morning. How does your school appear in the morning? The school in the morning is bustling with activity. All the children and the teachers are arriving and the children are running to the classes. So you will describe in your one or two sentences how you find your school in the morning. Try to do it yourself. Like if it is school concert, you can write how your wonderful concert in the school is, and this is how you try to describe these things in your own words. So try to do it in your assignment, and whatever assignment you are doing, it should be in a particular notebook, whether it is rough notebook or anything. It should all be in one place. It can be an A4 sheet, it can be a rough notebook or a register. It should be in one place. That is all for today. Thank you.